Enabling Whoop battery life requires a few simple steps to maximize the longevity of your device. First, it is essential to understand that the Whoop device is designed to be a low-power wearable, and its battery life can be optimized with proper usage and settings. To start, ensure your Whoop device is fully charged before use. A full charge can take up to 2 hours, and it is recommended to charge your device when the battery level falls below 20%. Next, navigate to the Whoop app on your smartphone and select the Settings option. Within the Settings menu, locate the Battery Saver mode and enable it. This mode will reduce the frequency of data syncs and other power-consuming functions, thereby extending battery life. Another key concept to consider is screen brightness. Lowering the screen brightness of your Whoop device can significantly reduce power consumption. To adjust the screen brightness, navigate to the Settings menu on your device and select the Display option. From here, you can adjust the brightness level to a lower setting, which will help conserve battery life. In addition to these steps, it is also important to limit unnecessary data syncs and updates. Syncing your data too frequently can quickly drain the battery, so it is recommended to sync your data only when necessary. You can also disable notifications and alerts to reduce power consumption. To further optimize battery life, consider updating your Whoop device to the latest software version. Software updates often include improvements to battery life and overall device performance. Finally, avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures, as this can affect battery life and overall device performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can enable Whoop battery life and maximize the longevity of your device. Remember to charge your device regularly. Enable battery saver mode. Adjust screen brightness. Limit unnecessary data syncs, and update your device to the latest software version. By taking these simple steps, you can enjoy extended battery life and uninterrupted use of your Whoop device.